In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with someone on LinkedIn. If you want to grow your professional network, reach out to a recruiter, or connect with someone you've worked with before, LinkedIn makes that process very simple. The key is knowing where to click and how to make your invitation feel a little more personal. To get started, go to LinkedIn and look for the main search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll search for the person you want to connect with. Type in their name, then review the search results carefully to make sure you found the right person. If several people have similar names, it helps to check their profile photo, job title, or company so you can choose the correct one. Once you find the person, click on their name or profile photo to open their full LinkedIn profile. This step is important because it gives you access to the full set of connection options and helps you confirm that this is the person you actually want to contact. Near the top of their profile, look for the Connect button. When you see it, click it to begin sending your connection request. In some cases, the Connect option may not be visible right away. If that happens, click the More button instead. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Connect. After that, you'll usually have the option to add a note before sending the invitation. If you want to make a stronger impression, click Add a note and write a short, personalized message. This is especially useful if you're connecting with someone you haven't met directly because it gives context and makes your request feel more genuine. Keep your note clear and professional and briefly mention why you'd like to connect. One important detail to remember is that if you're using the LinkedIn mobile app and trying to connect from the shortcut on the search results page, you may not be able to add a note there. If you want to include a personalized message, open the person's full profile first and then send the connection request from that page instead. Once your message is ready, click Send to deliver the invitation. That's all it takes. By searching for the right person, opening their profile using the Connect option, and adding a thoughtful note when possible, you can make your LinkedIn networking more effective and more professional.